So hello everybody, this is Shivam back again with a new video on a video series of CSI and JARA for Sciences. So in this video I am going to discuss about a question from previous CSIR paper. Okay, this question is basically belongs to planetary sciences. So without wasting your time, let's solve it. Hope you like my video. So this is my channel. Over here we have lots of videos based on CSIR. Please go through it. It will really help you a lot. So let's start then. So this question is from 2015 December. The question is, moon's gravity is 1/6 of that of the earth, right? Now what is the period of a second pendulum on the moon? Neglect thermal contraction and expansion. So we are neglecting this thing because on the moon there is no such magnetic field thing. Okay, there is no magnetosphere around the moon, so there may be some thermal contraction and expansion. We are just neglecting it. So let's solve this question. Now we have to find second pendulum period on the moon. So what we know is, on earth second pendulum on earth has period of 2 seconds, right? This is on earth. Now the period of simple pendulum, let's write the formula. Period of simple pendulum is equal to T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. This is the formula. You should know this formula. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now here L is what? Let's write. L is the length of pendulum. G is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, T is time period. Okay, so now let's put it as equation number 1. Now the time period of simple pendulum on earth. So for earth this becomes TE. Simply write the formula under root L GE. This is for earth. Okay, then for moon let's write TM and small m. Okay, I am using small m. Let me erase it first. Okay, so now this becomes under root L by GM. Okay, so this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Okay, now dividing equation 2 by equation 3. So TE by TM, when we divide, it becomes 2 pi under root L GE by 2 pi under root L GM, right? So finally what we have is TE by TM is equal to under root 1 by GE by 1 under root 1 by GM. Okay, we can write like this. Is this clear to you? Now just suppose earth acceleration due to gravity is equal to 1, and we know that moon per it becomes 1/6, and on moon acceleration due to gravity is equal to 1/6. Okay, so we can write like this: TE by TM is equal to under root 1 by, here this GE is equal to 1 and GM is equal to 1 by 6. This is GE, right? This is GE, this is GM. So I can write 1 over here. Is this correct or not? I can write like this, by under root 1 by, we can write 1 by 6, क्योंकि this GM is 1 by 6. See here, see this. What I am doing is just writing GM value. Now substituting the value of GM and GE in this equation. Okay, this is our equation. In this equation I am just substituting the value of GE. Over here it becomes 1 and over here this becomes 1 by 6. Okay, so we can write like this. Okay, now when you solve this, what you get is TE by TM is equal to 1 by under root 6. You will get this value. Okay, so we can say TM is equal to under root 6 TE. Now we know that on Earth second pendulum is 2 seconds. TE on Earth is equal to 2 seconds, right? So this TM is equal to 2 into root 6. So finally the period of second pendulum on the moon is 2 into root 6. This is the answer. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let's revise again. So here moon's gravity is about 1 by 6th of that of the earth. What is the period of a second pendulum on the moon? तो हम लोग को निकालना है second pendulum on the moon. So second pendulum on the earth has a period of 2 seconds. This is the formula, very important formula, just go through it. Okay, now what I am doing is, for earth we are putting TE and GE over here. This is for moon. Okay, now just dividing both the equations, so final values become something like this. Now assuming GE is equal to 1, GM is equal to 1 by 6. Now putting these values over here in this equation. Okay, so after solving this TM becomes under root 6 TE, and T is what? 2 seconds on the earth. So for the moon it becomes 2 under root 6. So the correct answer over here is this A option. This is the correct answer. Okay.